Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today we have another LG TV tutorial. And today we're going to show you how to change the region and country on your LG Smart TV. And I'll show you on the now older menu, but if you have the latest LG TV, don't worry, I'll show you the steps too. First, let's hit the settings button on our remote. This will be in the shape of a cog, or if you have settings printed on the button. Then we want to come down to all settings. Then within all settings we want to come down to general. Then location. Now if you have the latest LG software, you want to go to all settings, general, system and then location. Now here we can change the broadcast country. If you have a pin on your LG TV, you'll need to enter it. Then you'll be able to select a new broadcast country, and then that will change the region and country. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.